Hello there, my dear students. Welcome to Grade 10 Physics. Topic light, lecture number 6. Subtopic Refraction. Learning objectives for today's session. Students will be able to define law of refraction and understand the terms related to refraction. To understand law of refraction, here are some of the reference books referred for this session. We know that light travels in a straight line path. This is true as long as the light rays are traveling in the same medium, having the same density throughout. Now, what happens when light enters from one transparent medium to another? We will go through some case study here. A straw partially immersed in a water of a transparent glass, when observed obliquely from the above, the position of the fish that appears for the observer in reality may be at different place. In both the cases, light rays travel through different medium, that is water, air, or air, glass, and water. When light rays are made to go from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, they change their direction at the boundary separating the two media. In this case, it's air and water. In order to understand this phenomena, let us understand the basic terms here. A medium in which the speed of light is more is known as an optically rarer medium. A medium in which the speed of light is less is known as optically denser medium. So here we can now define term refraction. The bending of light or change in direction of light when it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another at the boundary separating the two media is called refraction of light. So let us focus on this term right now, optically rarer and optically denser medium. So when I'm comparing the two medium, जब मैं medium को compare करता हूँ जैसा air और glass हो गया या फिर air and water हो गया या फिर glass and water हो गया, जब भी मैं दो मीडियम को कंपेयर करता हूँ तो मैं एक मीडियम को रेयर बोल सकता हूँ, एक मीडियम को डेंसर बोल सकता हूँ, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. नाउ इफ आई एम कंपेयरिंग टू मीडियम सच एज एयर एंड वाटर, तो ऐसे केस में जो वाटर होगा वो ऑप्टिकली डेंसर माना जाएगा और जो एयर होगा वो ऑप्टिकली रेयर माना जाएगा, बिकॉज स्पीड ऑफ लाइट एयर में जो होगा वो ज़्यादा होगा कंपेयर टू स्पीड ऑफ लाइट वाटर या ग्लास में. सिमिलरली अगर मैं वाटर और ग्लास एग्जांपल ले लेता हूँ तो वाटर में स्पीड ऑफ लाइट जो होगा ज़्यादा होगा, तो इन दैट केस वाटर विल बी कंसिडर एज द रेयर मीडियम, व्हाइल ग्लास जो होगा वो कंसिडर एज अ डेंसर मीडियम. Now the bending which we observe in the phenomena of refraction, why does this bending take place? Now the reason behind it is that as you know, in optical rarer medium, the speed of light is more compared to the denser medium. So when light enters from one medium to another medium, जो light की जो speed है वो decrease हो जाती है. इस वजह से light जो है bend होता है. So here is a difference between optically rarer medium and denser medium. Here you can observe the material. Right now here is air and here is air, so hence the speed of light. Light travels in a straight line and the speed of light was shown here 1c, that is 10 to 10 to 8 meter per second. Now here you can observe as has changed the material, the speed of light decreases in the second medium, which was water, and hence it moves towards the normal. This is a ray of light that's medium from water to glass, you can observe that the speed of light is now much smaller compared to the previous one, and hence it moved towards a normal. Now, if I change the medium, the first medium right now is water, and the other medium is glass, you can see the refracted ray, the way it changes. Okay. Now, if I take the glass, you see glass, it was a straight line. We'll go through some cases of bending of light. What is the angle of incident or angle of refraction? ऐसे केस में क्या रहेगा? So first case is when a ray of light travels from a rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. ठीक है, तो ऐसे केस में जब लाइट जो है rarer medium से denser medium में आ जाता है, तो हम यहाँ पे दो मीडियम कंसीडर कर लेते हैं. तो पहला मीडियम है वो है एयर और दूसरा मीडियम यहाँ पे है ग्लास. So air being a rarer medium, यहाँ पे speed of light ज़्यादा होगी, and glass being a denser medium, तो यहाँ पे speed of light compared to speed of light in air, यहाँ पे speed of light glass में यहाँ पे speed of light कम होगी. तो because of this, you will observe that जो ray of light, जो incident ray है, यहाँ पे हम लोग एक imaginary normal ray draw किया है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे as speed of light in the denser medium decreases, due to this, जो refracted ray है, it bends towards the normal. So, in this case, angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction whenever a ray of light enters from rarer medium to denser medium. In case 2, when a ray of light travels from a denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. So, in this case, ray of light जो है denser medium से rarer medium में जा रहा है. So, denser medium यहाँ पे glass है and rarer medium यहाँ पे air है. So, as we study, जो ray of light है since denser medium से rarer medium में जा रहा है, तो denser medium में जो speed of light जो होगा वो कम होगा compared to rarer medium में. तो यहाँ पे as speed of light increases in rarer medium compared to the denser medium, so it moves away from the normal. So ऐसे केस में angle of incidence will be less than angle of refraction. Now in case 3, if the incident ray falls normally or perpendicular on the surface of a glass slab, then there is no bending of the ray of light and it goes straight. मतलब ये जो incident ray है, जो glass slab की जो surface पे जो है वो hit कर रहा है 90 डिग्री से. So ऐसे केस में there will be no refraction and there is no bending of ray of light and it goes straight. So ऐसे केस में हम लोगों का जो angle of incidence and angle of refraction होगा वो होगा 0 डिग्री. The refraction of light going from one medium to another take place according to two laws of refraction of light. First law states that the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. For example, if you observe this diagram, the incident ray AO, the refracted ray OB, and the normal N and M dash all lie in the same plane. The second law of refraction gives the relationship between the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction. If I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction, then according to Snell's law of refraction, sine of angle of incidence upon sine of angle of refraction equals to constant. This constant value is called the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first. We will study about the refractive index more in detail in next lecture. Check your progress by solving some questions. When a ray of light travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium optically, these are the options. Question number 2. If the incident ray falls normally on the surface of a glass slab, the angle of incident is. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment section. Until next time, stay indoors, stay safe.